Okay, I'm back with another tutorial. This is part 2 of how to make a zombie shooter. So last tutorial we made player logic, we made it look at the mouse, and we made the player move around. In this tutorial we're going to be making the enemy's AI. Oh yeah, AI. Alright, it's actually pretty simple. Well, now we have to make a new object. So once again, sprite, and just make this. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press no. I'm gonna click on this. Control C. I'm just gonna copy the player. And where's that object? Oh, that's right. I got the button. Oh God. Hold on. So yeah, okay. Control V. Alright. Crop. So that's the player. But and we don't. And zombies are usually red. We don't want them red. So we're just going to fix this up a little bit. So I'm just gonna make it a bit different. Alright. And then I'm just gonna make this red. Make it dark red. And I'll make this part. Okay. Crop it again. Yep, the origin point's good. Alright, then that's a bit too big. Go to the player and then just go to the, so the width is 58 and the height is 49, so 58, 49. 58 and 49. So now I've got, so now they're pretty much the same size. Well, pretty much. So this right, and his name is Zombie. Alright, Zombie. Now we have to go to the event sheet. And what's that? I'm going to make another group. This is going to be zombies. Now we need to add a few variables. Variables that can be numbers, like it can store stuff. And so to add a variable, we can go to project, add a global variable, so any object can use it, or we can make just private variables, so that's just the variable for that object. So we want to make it for this object. So go to private variables, and we add a new one. We need to add about 2. So this is going to be health, and you can make, so if you want, so oh, hold on, I spelled that incorrectly. Health. Okay, just keep numbers the same. So its health is going to be, I'll make this 5. You can make it however you want, but I'm just gonna put 5. Don't make it 0, because then yeah, it will probably die straight away. Yeah, it will die straight away because we're gonna be fixed, like, yeah, doing some stuff. So just make it that 5 or 3 or 2. Make it 3. You can make it, just make it 3 or greater than 3. I'm just gonna make it 5. Now the new one is going to be anger, and we need to make this 0. Good, so we've got health and anger. Okay, I'm gonna go done, save. Now, wait, we're just gonna go there. So we click on this. We need to add a behavior. So go to behaviors and add a new behavior. Make this bullet. Might sound a bit weird, but just do the bullet. Alright, so make it outside. Yep, that's good. Good. So now when you watch it, it moves pretty fast. So we'll make the speed about 50. So now, alright, this is good. They won't be like sprinting zombies, they'll be like walking, so that's good. But it's going to be able to get faster when anger goes up. Alright, now, alright, so now we just go to event and insert, so system, go to zombie, go to object is outside layout. We want the zombie to set angle towards a position, rotate 90 degrees. So now if we go to layout editor, we just put this over here. No, we'll put this here. So yeah, and then just go to unbound scrolling. So click on that, and then you'll notice how you can see outside the layout. So yeah. So now we can watch it and see what happens when it goes outside the layout, just to see if we've done this correctly. So it's almost there, and then when it gets outside the layout, let's see what happens. It glitches. Well, we can fix that. make it rotate towards, make that 360. So this is rotate towards player. So now it's rolling out, so it's going to rotate 360 degrees towards the player. So it's almost there. And it's outside the layout. See what happens. Alright, so I don't know what exactly is going on there. Where is it? Where did it go? Can't find it. Oh, I know what the problem is. This is a bullet, so we made the bullet behavior. So you might already know this, but destroy when outside the layout. That's what's going on. Make that never. So it's never going to destroy. So, but it's going to destroy only when its health goes down. But just make that never. So yeah. And now it's going to rotate towards the player. So watch, it will rotate towards the player. See? Rotates towards it. How cool is that? Now, that's done. Now we want to make it system. So make a new event. System. Every millisecond. So if you don't know what millisecond is, so there's 1,000 milliseconds in every second. So if it's 5,000 milliseconds, that's 5 seconds. So we're just going to make this every 3,000. So that's 3 seconds. So every 3 seconds, the zombie is going to set angle to a random. So same random 360. Alright, so random 360. So now, so 1, 2, 3. Yep. And then it's just gonna come back. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Good. But we can fix that up a bit better. So we'll make this 6,500. So that's 6.5 seconds. So now every 6.5 seconds it's going to rotate around. Good. So now we can make it system on style where it's just going to set a random angle, but it already does that because, yeah, I don't know really what's going on with that, but when I put in like every 6,000 milliseconds and then the zombie sets to a random angle, whatever, it just always does it like in the start layer. So yeah, so that's done. So yeah, I'm just gonna make. So now this is the variables. When I got Construct Classic, when I first got it, I had no idea what variables are, so I had to watch a few YouTube videos. There's not really many on YouTube, but I found one and it taught me. So, and then I've just taught myself everything. I even know how to make save and load, and yeah. A zombie variable health is less than when it's less than 1, the zombie is going to destroy. So now, so we've done that. When zombie, so then compare bar variable on anger is equal, greater or equal to, so greater or equal to 2. The zombie is going to set angle towards an object, and this is going to be the player. So now, right now, I'm just going to make it this. I'm going to delete this, but I'm just going to do this just for testing. So when you're including a zombie, it's going to zombie compare subtract from value health. So it's just going to subtract 1, and it's also zombie. It's going to add a value to anger, so it's going to get anger. So the zombie will get angry, but also subtract health. So conclusion with it. Good. So now it's following me. Good. But it's still the same speed. We can make it go faster if you want to. And then I'm just going to keep on getting conclusion with it, and it destroys. So that's good. We're just going to delete that. Save it. Okay, let's see how long this video is going for. 9 minutes. Okay, well, that's the end of this tutorial. Next video we're going to make the player shooting, and then the zombie will get angry and the health will go down and you can kill it. And you'll see, I'm just going to do one last thing. So if we have lots of objects, they will just do the exact same thing. and they're all and the variable on let's say this zombie right here is 1, and this zombie right here is that can be anything, because if this one's 1, they will, and they can be the other one's zombies can be anything really. So yeah, and global variables, if you have a global variable, so in this level, so if you have HP, and then you go to the next layer and then you come back, it will be exactly the same, or you go to the next one, it is exactly the same. But on private variables, they just, if there's 0, they'll just be 0 on the start layer. So that's the end of this tutorial. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time for the next tutorial.